Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming location services and a working connection so maps can fix your position. Open Apple Maps now and tap the search bar or press and hold the side button to use Siri for a hands-free query. Type or speak the destination and watch the app locate matches. This reduces guesswork and speeds route calculation. Once done, tap the correct entry, because choosing the right place prevents wrong turns later and lets maps prepare route options immediately. You now compare the route options Apple Maps presents, look at time estimates and read traffic segments to pick the fastest path. Tap the travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, to tailor directions to your needs. Once a route is selected, tap details to preview each turn, lane guidance, and any tolls or transit connections so you know what to expect. Make sure to enable voice guidance and set volume. This keeps your eyes on the road, while the app gives timely prompts. You begin navigation by tapping Go. Follow the voice prompts and on-screen arrows for lane guidance and junction views. If you approach a confusing interchange, switch to 3D or satellite view and pinch or rotate the map to see context. This clarifies exits and parallel roads. Once you arrive, tap End. If guidance stops or your position jumps, make sure location services are still on, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, or briefly close and reopen maps. Checking airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.